Hey guys, welcome back. As I said in the last video, I just received all of my subscriptions the last weekend of September, and so I'm trying to get these out to you on both YouTube and on Instagram for swatches, but please keep updated because I am still doing unboxings, and today we are going to be doing the Boxy Charm Premium. So if you are interested in Boxy Charm Premium or what I received in my variation, then please stay tuned. Alright, so guys, I've been reviewing Boxy Charm and Ipsy for over a year now. Well, I guess 13 months technically. And so what I've decided is to, I'm gonna go ahead and cancel the Boxy Charm Luxe and Boxy Charm Premium. I do feel like it's too much makeup product for the price, and I'm not using everything in it, even though like it is a good value. I find value in the Boxy Charm base, so I do want to continue receiving that. And then I am going to continue receiving Ipsy, both the regular Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus, and also the upgrade for the Glam Bag X. I feel like all three of those subscriptions never disappoint me, and I feel comfortable continuing to pay that price versus what I use in those boxes. So from now on, I just want to let you guys know I'm just going to be doing Boxy Charm base box. And I do always feel like during the Luxe month that I would have rather gotten the base box, because I love all their, I feel like they do an excellent job on those months and I miss out. And then when I try to buy those things off a pop-up, half the time they're gone before I can even check out. So that's my little mini rant. But for this month, I do have this was a Luxe month and a Premium month. So we're gonna go ahead and review the Premium one last time. So this one is the $35 a month box. You get 6 full-size items. You do get to choose, I believe, 2 items out of the 6. Sometimes it is only 1, but lately I think they've upgraded it to 2, which is really nice. You do receive a card with a theme. So this month is BTS. I think that it means behind the scenes. And you do get your list here of all of your items and the prices and your variation code. So let's go ahead and dig into the box. So, okay, the first 2 items right on top are my choice items. So I had chose the Laura Mercier Balancing Foaming Cleanser. So there wasn't, like I said, I don't care so much for the beauty products. I prefer the makeup, and out of this choice lineup, this was the best choice for me as far as that goes. So here is that. I will be using this, and I actually was, I'm finishing up a Murad, so I can definitely use this or try this. This is, let's see, this is $30, so almost pays for the box itself, which it is still a great value, absolutely. It is sealed. I am going to open it because I will be using it very soon. Oh, this is very nice and very thick. Look at how thick that is. We're gonna rub it in. Ooh. Oh, it definitely feels like a really nice thick cleanser. I think it's gonna do whatever it needs to do. Not much of a scent, which I'm happy with. It does smell very clean, but not a whole lot of scent, so I do like that. Especially, so today I do have a migraine, so it is helpful on days like that. I'm trying to be as normal as I can, you guys, but if you catch me like not making sense, that's totally what it is. All right, and then my next choice item, I chose the Loreal eyeshadow trio. This is the Eye Gloss Trio Luxe Diamond and Sunset. I chose this just because I was excited for the Fenty mini palettes. However, I looked at all of the colors that they had available, and they did have like maybe between 4 and 6 variations, or I mean choices for that palette, but I have all of those, and this I did not have. And I have been liking an easier look with the liquid eyeshadow, so I really wanted to give this a try. This is $23. So let's go ahead and open these up because I'm excited for these guys. All right, so they do come in this packet. They're like a glittery duochrome, I guess. I don't know. All right, first color up is this purple. I don't know if you can see how it's has a little bit of a green in there, so I can't wait to see what that does. Oh, so it's kind of tiny, which is fine. It'll get the job done. Here is what the applicator looks like. And let's put that on the skin. Ooh, very pretty. Oh, this is gorgeous. You know, you can make a really pretty Halloween look out of this. Oh. I'm hoping the camera can get that green. I hope you guys can kind of see that. It's super gorgeous. Consistency seems nice as well. It seems like it may take a minute to dry, so it might smear if you move on too quickly. So let's do the pink one, and it has a little bit of a gold tint in there. Same applicator, and we'll put that here. So first I want to show it to you this way, and then we will rub it in thy skin. Ooh. And hopefully you can catch that gold shimmer in there. Okay, and then the last one is this blue color. It sort of seems the opposite of that purple because it's got like this greenish blue with a purple tint. Oh man, gorgeous. Okay, so first we'll put it on this way so we can see what it looks like. Oh wow, look at that. Okay, and then we will do this. So they are a little wet. You do I think you do have to be, you have to kind of just dab it in order to keep that color from smearing, and then it will look like it's kind of sheer. So keep that in mind if you did get these, or you are getting them in pop-up, or you did order them in add-on, whatever it's called. Complex Culture. And I did receive this in Ipsy. I'll just open it to show you guys what it is. It's this little golden roller. I believe we got this in the Glam Bag X for with Khloe Kardashian, I think, or it may have been the Patrick Ta. Maybe it was that. Anyway, I've already received this, so I don't need a second. But this was $58. What you do is you do put a battery in here, and then you are able to turn it on, and it does like a massage thing as well. So there's that. Gives this box a pretty good value. Ooh, I am happy to get this. This is the Milk and Honey Highlighter Palette. And I believe it's from Beauty Bakery. Is that right? Yes, from Beauty Bakery, Milk and Honey Highlighting Palette, $38. So I think just this item by itself pays for the box and a little bit more. Ooh, look how gorgeous the packaging is. It's so fun and so pretty. I do like Beauty Bakery. I feel like they do have very nice quality products. Look at how stunning these colors are. Ooh. Alright, so I really like this Be Sweet. It sort of has a gold shimmer. And then we'll do Queen Being, which is like a brown. Look how gorgeous those are. And where are we gonna put that? Okay, so I put those at the top here. Look how pretty both of those are. Look how gorgeous all of these colors look. Stunning for sure. So this is the Herbivore Blue Tansy Resurfacing Clarity Mask. Alright, we will have to see what this does. So this is another skincare. It looks like that. And let's see if it... Oh, very... it's like it's thick but watery. It has sort of a essential oil scent to it, and then I don't know what like the last little hints are, like minty maybe. This is $48. This one says a truly natural mask that gently clarifies skin with BHAs from white yellow bark, fruit enzymes along with aloe and blue tansy essential oil, that's what the smell is, to soothe the appearance of redness and irritation. I'm not gonna use it. So this is, I think I said $48. So I will have to find someone who wants to use this. Last but not least, well, let's hope it's not least, Verb Ghost Oil, Soothing Moringa Blend and Weightless Hair Oil. Okay, alright, I'm with it. I'm okay with this. I do sometimes put argan oil in my hair to soften it up. I know it looks rough. I really did just get my hair like done before this video, but that migraine's like, I was just like, we'll just do a little bit of curl, and this is what happened. Anyway, I do like stuff like this, so I'm willing to give this a try. I'm okay with getting this full size, or full size, it is full size. This retails for $18. This weightless hair oil revitalizes strands from root to ends. Powered by moringa oil, this blend works to hydrate and fight frizz. I do have frizzy hair because my hair is naturally curly. It's proven to enhance shine by 75%. So this is fun. Alright, let's go ahead. I'll put the value of the box over here in just a second. Let's get a recap. We've got the hair oil. We have the highlighter palette. We had, they're not in here, but the Loreal eyeshadows, the Mercier foaming cleanser, the complex culture massage tool, and the blue tansy oil. I do think that it is a good valued box. I won't be using 2 of the items. And that's okay. So sometimes I feel like they throw these things in to give it such a high value, rather like it's kind of like quantity over quality type thing, which is one of the reasons why I'm choosing to cancel this box. I am happy that I am able to use all of these over here, so I don't feel like it's a huge loss in price. And you guys know I love when we get like things like this because it makes it feel like you got more in your box than the 6 items. So I am appreciative of that. You guys let me know what you thought of this box, and do you like the skincare that you receive in your premium box? And all of the things, and I will see you in our next video. Bye guys!